Hi, welcome to Codersarts.com. In this video, we are going to discuss machine learning. What are the types of machine learning, how it works, and where it is used. So let's start. Machine learning. There is no doubt that machine learning is an incredible hot topic with significant interest from both business professionals and technologists. So, what is machine learning? These are very basic things that you need to know when you start to learn machine learning. Not only from an exam point of view, but from an interview point of view, it is very important question. In simple words, we can explain machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. It focuses mainly on the use of data and algorithm to intimate the way that humans learn, gradually improving the accuracy. Machine learning algorithm uses historical data to predict new outcomes or output values. Standard definition of machine learning is the field of study that gives computer capability to learn without being explicitly programmed. It means machine learning without giving instruction explicitly means without any instructions from our side it perform its own side. The computer automatically will perform based on the things it has previously learned. That is what machine learning means. Where used machine learning? Finance sector. Risk management is one of the most important areas of any financial companies involved with different kind of decision making work, such as security and strategy. There are many through which different kind of risk can appear due to different competitors in the market, regulating company policies because of changes in government policies, and also monetizing risk, since in finance we have huge amount of data such as customer data or other financial data. By using machine learning model and deep learning model, we can make better risk management decision. Fraud detection. It is always very important for any financial institution to provide security for its customers. Usually there are various ways in which fraudsters use loopholes to find traps that might be bad for a country or a company. We see people who apply for credit cards and do not pay their bills, loans that are converted into NPS, and various other cases. Machine learning experts are able to create algorithms that are able to detect, find anomalies or frauds. Fraud detection can be used in the banking domain extensively for this purpose. Medical field. Medical researchers use it to predict the likelihood of cancer relapse. Intelligence. Intelligence agencies might use it to determine which of huge quantity of intercepted communication area of interest. Machine learning is used in the internet search engine, email filters to sort out spam messages, website to make personalized recommendation, banking software to detect unusual transactions, on social media to face recognition, and lots of app on our phones such as voice recognition. We can do many things with the help of machine learning. Usage of machine learning. Real-time chatbot system. Chatbot is the most important form of automation. They have closed the communication gap between human and technology by making it possible for us to communicate with machines that can then execute action according to the requirement or request voiced by individual. Customer recommendation system. Machine learning has the power the customer recommendation engines built to deliver customized experience and improve the overall customer experience. Machine learning algorithm analyze data points about each customer, including the customer previous purchase and other data sets like demographic trends and organizations, present inventory, and the purchase history of other customer in order to know what service and product to offer as recommendation to each individual customer. Customer segmentation and market research. Not only do machine learning business application help business in setting prices, they also assist business to provide the appropriate goods and services to the appropriate areas of appropriate time via customer segmentation and predictive inventory planning. Image classification and image recognition. Image classification is used to medical field to detect heart disease, cancer, or lung infections. Image recognition is used to automated attendance system, the drive of security terms to detect criminal activities in real time, to the need for automated cars to see the road. Machine learning is also used in decision support, customer churn modeling, dynamic and demand pricing strategies, operation efficiencies, and data extraction. Role of machine learning in data science. Machine learning algorithms are driven by mathematical concepts and analyze the patterns in the captured data and can be used to build a predictive model on the existing phenomena in business. There are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In this video, we will be covering two types of machine learning: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, the machine learns under supervision. It contains a model that is able to predict with the help of labeled dataset. A labeled dataset is one where you are already know the target answer. In machine learning, supervised learning refers to a class of system and algorithm that determine a predictive model using data points with the known outcomes. The model is learned by training through an appropriate learning algorithm such as linear regressions, random forest, or support vector machines that typically works through some optimizations routine to minimize a loss or error function. It is the technique of teaching a model by feeding it input data as well as correct output data. This input-output pairs is referred to as a label data. For example, a teacher will give either reward marks to or take marks from student based on the correctness of her response to a question. Supervised learning is often used to create machine learning model for two types of problem: regression and classification. When the response variable is numerical, predictive modeling is called regression. When the response variable is categorical, nominal, and ordinal, predictive modeling is called classification. Example of regression and classification. Regression case. Sales are influenced by the variable like advertisement expenses, manpower deployed for sale, cost of products, number of dealers, etc. Regression is used when the output variable is real or continuous value. In this case, there is a relationship between two or more variables. Classification case. The customer may purchase a particular product based on the some condition like his need, his age, his name, his place of residence, etc. Classification is used when the output variable is categorical, that is, with two or more classes. For example, yes or no, male or female, true or false, etc. Example of supervised learning. These are the example of some supervised learning algorithms: neo-Bayes classifier, k-nearest neighbor, decision tree, regression model, neural network, random forest, support vector machine, etc. Unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, the machine uses unlabeled data and learns on itself without any supervision. The machine tries to find a pattern in the unlabeled data and give a response. It divides the objects into clusters that have similar pattern between them and are dissimilar to the objects belonging to another cluster. For example, finding out which customer made similar product purchase. What is unlabeled data? A data set which unknown output values for all the input values is called unlabeled data set. Let's take an example. We do not tell the machines whether it is ball or bat. The machine identifies pattern from the given set and groups them on their patterns, similarities, etc. Unsupervised learning can be further grouped into two types: clustering and association. These are the example of unsupervised learning: hierarchical, k-means, and K-medoids, principal component analysis, and association rule. We will discuss these topics in the next video. Thank you.